আসসালামু আলাইকুম, শুভ নববর্ষ। যে যেখানে আছো সবাই ভালো থাকো, সুস্থ থাকো। I am Jennifer Farhana Rashid, your English teacher of LPS School, Campus 4. Dear student, how are you? I know that all of we are stuck at home because of pandemic attack of coronavirus. The situation is very critical, so we have to handle this situation very carefully. We have to follow government instructions and doctor's advice also. We have to follow your parents' instructions also. We hope that we will be fine. Today we are giving you some lessons that you can practice this time at home. I am going to teach you English past paper for class 4 and it is English for today. Dear student, you open your book, page number 30 and unit 15. Look at here. We are going to read Shagor and his family. Do you know what is the meaning of family? When father, mother, sister, brother, uncle, aunt, grandparents live together is called a family. I have a family also. You all have families. Hi, I am Shagor. I am in class 4. I am 9 years old. I have a little sister. Her name is Kea. She is only 3 years old. This is Shagor's story. Shagor is a little boy. He is 9 years old and he reads in class 4. He has a little sister. Her name is Kea. She is only 3 years old. My father is a doctor and my mother is a housewife. His father is a doctor. Doctor means physician and who takes care of patient and prescribe the medicine according to their problem. And his mother is a housewife. Housewife means homemaker who does the household work and like cleaning the house, preparing food, taking care of your parents and your grandparents also, and many more. My grandfather was a school teacher, but he doesn't work now. Shagor's grandfather was a school teacher. Teacher means who teaches at school, university or colleges or at home. Like me, I am also a teacher. And Shagor's grandfather was a retired person. My grandfather helps me with my homework. He is very smart. Shagor's grandfather helps him to do his homework. Homework means what task we are giving you to do at home. He is very smart. Smart means intelligent. My grandmother works at home. This is Shagor's grandmother. She is not serving and she works at home. She makes the best pitas in the world. Pita, do you know about pita? Pita means cakes. Do you like cakes? I like cakes. And have you ever been to the village? If you go to the village in winter season, during the time of harvesting, you will see that the villagers collect the new crops and the village women make rice powder from these crops and they make different types of cakes, and these are bhapa pitha, puli pitha, nokshi pitha, payesh and many more, and sometimes they use date juice with this pitha and these are very tasty. I like this very much. Do you like this? My mother has a wonderful garden. Wonderful means excellent. Garden is a piece of land adjoining a house where plants are grown. And Shagor's mother has a garden. Shagor, I am very proud of. Shagor feels very good for this garden. She grows the best tomatoes and cucumbers in the neighborhood. She grows the best tomatoes. Tomatoes means one kind of vegetable, and cucumber is another kind of vegetable. And these are very healthy vegetables because they contains lot of vitamins and minerals. And these vitamins keep you good because these vitamins help you to fight against diseases. And these are essential for our eye, our skin, our hair. Sometimes we like junk food, but these are very injurious for health. We should avoid this junk food and we have to take healthy food and balanced diet. These tomatoes and cucumbers contain many kinds of vitamins, and sometimes your mother makes a delicious dish with tomato, cucumber and carrot, and it is called salad. And we take this salad with pulao, khichuri, biryani, and it makes the tasty. So I like it very much. These are delicious. Means tasty. This is all about Shagor's family. So now we are going to learn fill in the blanks from this chapter. When you write fill in the blanks, you think that you are in standard 4, so you will write full sentence. In the exam, you cannot write only answer. If you write only answer, you will get less mark. You have to write full sentence. So I am going to describe you fill in the blanks. Number 1. Shagor is a student of class dash. Shagor is a student of class 4. Number 2. Shagor has a little sister Kea. Shagor has a little sister dash. Shagor has a little sister Kea. Dash grandfather was a school teacher. Shagor's grandfather was a school teacher. Dash makes the best pitas in the world. Grandmother makes the best pitas in the world. Number 5. Shagor's mother grows the best tomatoes and dash in the neighborhood. Shagor's mother grows the best tomatoes and cucumbers in the neighborhood. That's all. And now we will learn multiple choice question. There are some question and there are 3 options. You will choose right answer from there. How old is Shagor? Options are 7 years, 8 years, 9 years. The correct answer is 9 years. Shagor has a little sister dash. And the options are Maya, Mita, Kea. And the correct answer is Kea. What is Shagor's mother? Options are housewife, lawyer, teacher. The correct answer is housewife. Who helps Shagor to do his homework? Options are grandmother, grandfather, mother. And the correct answer is grandfather. Number 5. Who is very proud of his mother's garden? Options are Kea, father, Shagor. The correct answer is Shagor. That is, dear student, you will learn, you will practice it at home and write in your HW copy. So this is, today is no more. I hope that all of you will be fine with your family and pray for us, keep us in your prayer. We think that you will practice at home and very soon we will meet again. Till then, bye.